Algebra 2 Cram, New York State, Algebra 2 Regents, Common Core Properties of Logarithmic Equations. Question 9, Quotient Rule and Power Rule. The odds of someone doing exactly what you tell them to do is pretty slim, but I guarantee that if you cram with me, you'll become an Algebra 2 master. If I could stick every single math student with a syringe containing a healthy dose of eye-opening awareness of their inner mathematical genius, I probably would. So inbox me at memedicine@gmail.com to get your healthy dose of Algebra 2 by ordering the complete cram session. You have lots of friends, colleagues, peers, and/or classmates who are taking Algebra 2 with you. Tell them to get a healthy boost by inboxing me at memedicine@gmail.com so that they too can order and purchase the complete cram session. Let's delve into the concept. Question 9, Quotient Rule and Power Rule. The expression 1/2 log of m minus 3 log of n is equivalent to a, the log of the square root of m plus the log of n to the third, b, the log of 1/2 m minus 3 the log of n, c, the log of m squared divided by the cube root of n, or d, the log of the square root of m divided by n to the third. Definitely press pause if you need to, and I'll give you a moment to think. Alrighty then, hopefully by now you've had enough time to think. And what we have to do is use some properties of logarithms and one property of exponent to translate this expression into one of these. Okay, so according to the power rule of logarithms, a times the log of x, that's like a leading coefficient, is equivalent to the log of x raised to that multiplying coefficient. Okay, so we can use this to transform this logarithmic term as well as the second term in the overall expression. Therefore, 1/2 the log of m minus 3 the log of n is equivalent to the log of m to the 1/2 minus the log of n to the third. Okay? Alrighty then. Now, also according to the quotient rule of logarithms, the log base b of x is equivalent to the log base b of y, minus the log base b of y, not equivalent to, is equivalent to the log base b of x divided by y. Well, there's no base written here, so we know that we're dealing with the common logarithm of base 10, but we do have a difference, and we know that the difference is equivalent to the quotient, the logarithm of the quotient of the first power divided by the second power, or result. Okay, remember the result of an exponential equation is also called the power. Power is often a misnomer used to describe the exponent. That's actually wrong. Therefore, the log of m to the 1/2 minus the log of n to the third equals the log of m to the 1/2 divided by n to the third. Okay, so here goes the power rule in effect and the quotient rule. And also note that any base a raised to the 1 over n power is equivalent to the nth root of a, okay? And we can definitely apply that here, specifically here. Therefore, the log of m to the 1/2 divided by n to the third is equivalent to the log of the square root of m, or the second root of m, divided by n to the third. Therefore, the correct answer choice is going to be answer choice D. Okay, the log of the square root of m divided by n to the third. Overall intellectual comprehension of this stuff was not difficult at all, and after purchasing the complete Algebra 2 Cram session, you'll be able to answer a battery of questions about any Algebra 2 topic. So inbox me at memedicine@gmail.com to order the complete Cram session. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck studying.